Okay, so today we're going to be trying Cape Cods and fried pickle and ranch dip. Everyone needs to grab one Cape Cod.
And one Cape Cod. And one Cape Cod. And open it.
No, not yet. We do. Everyone eat it.
Welcome back to my channel. Welcome
It's
back
like
to
an
my
8 out
channel.
of 10 out of 10. What do you think it is?
Let me get another one, though. Welcome back to my channel.
What do you think it is out of 1 out of 10?
15.
15.
Devin thinks it's a 15 out of 1 out of 10. He thinks it's a 15. Okay. Now, Sam, what is it?
That feels like a 20 out of 100.
20 out of 100 for Sam.
Okay. That's good.
Now, we have opened fried pickle and ranch dip. We've actually been eating it. Like just a little. I haven't tried it yet. Just my brothers.
I haven't tried it.
Okay.
Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel.
Probably since Sam started off 100, 1 out of 100, I'll rate it
20 out of
90. 90 out of 100. And that's going to end this video.